Atomic Habits. Chapter 19. The Goldilocks Rule, How to Stay Motivated in Life and Work. 1. The Goldilocks Rule, Optimal Challenge. In 1955, Disneyland had just opened in Anaheim, California, when a 10-year-old boy walked in and asked for a job. Labor laws were loose back then, and the boy managed to land a position selling guidebooks for 50 cents apiece. Within a year, he had transitioned to Disney's Magic Shop, where he learned tricks from the older employees. He experimented with jokes and tried out simple routines on visitors. Soon he discovered that what he loved was not performing magic but performing in general. He set his sights on becoming a comedian. 2. The Power of Just Manageable Difficulty. Why is it that some people, like Steve Martin, stick with their habits and achieve great success, while most of us struggle to stay motivated? Scientists have been studying this question for years, and one of the most consistent findings is the Goldilocks Rule. The human brain loves challenges, but only if they are within an optimal zone of difficulty. The key to maintaining motivation and peak levels of desire is to work on tasks of just manageable difficulty. 3. Steve Martin's comedy career, a Goldilocks Rule example. Steve Martin's comedy career offers a fascinating perspective on sticking with habits for the long run. For 18 years, he faced the fear of performing alone on stage and failing to get laughs. His journey to success was marked by 10 years of learning, 4 years of refining, and finally, 4 years of wild success. Martin's gradual progress, working on challenges of just manageable difficulty, kept him motivated and helped him become one of the most successful comedians of his time. 4. Keeping habits engaging, the importance of balance. The Goldilocks Rule applies not only to starting new habits but also to maintaining them. Initially, it's crucial to keep the behavior as easy as possible for consistent adherence. Once a habit is established, small advancements and new challenges are necessary to avoid boredom and keep the behavior attractive and satisfying. The delicate balance of improvement keeps us engaged on our path to success. 5. Embracing boredom, the key to mastery. The greatest threat to success is not failure but boredom. Habits become ordinary over time, leading us to seek novelty and derail our progress. However, successful individuals understand that mastering any skill requires embracing boredom and repetition. Falling in love with the process and staying committed, even on days when motivation is lacking, sets professionals apart from amateurs. 6. The sweet spot of desire, finding motivation. The Goldilocks Rule also aids in maintaining desire for a habit. Achieving a 50-50 split between success and failure keeps motivation high. Variable rewards, like those found in video games or gambling, amplify cravings by reducing boredom. Understanding the importance of maintaining interest in our pursuits is crucial to staying on track and achieving long-term success. 7. Professional versus amateur, the consistency factor. The key difference between a professional and an amateur lies in consistency and purpose. Professionals stick to their schedules and understand the importance of their goals. They act even when they don't feel like it, finding ways to stay engaged and productive. On the other hand, amateurs let life's urgencies derail their progress and lack the commitment to stick to habits through thick and thin. Conclusion. The Goldilocks Rule, focusing on challenges of just manageable difficulty, is a powerful tool for maintaining motivation and achieving success in life and work. By embracing boredom, staying consistent, and finding the right balance between challenge and skill, individuals can unlock their potential and achieve remarkable results. Steve Martin's comedy career serves as a shining example of the Goldilocks Rule in practice, showing the way to long-term success and fulfillment.